Hello, hi everyone. So in today's video we will talk about DaVinci Resolve's render cache. It's really great and you can do a ton of things, and you see like this bar in the top. If you see that, if you render it, you can work with the video edit much easier and it will be way faster. But the backdraw of it, if we start to render the cache and say that it's on and we really want to have it in prepared for work, then your space, this space, if we refresh, it just drops. And I wake up yesterday that I don't have enough space on my PC, even though I have just a few applications installed and that video editor. And as you see, like it is dropped by 200 megabytes just in 1 minute of recording. And how to clean that? So all of your projects, if you go to the delete render cache and manage cache data, you would see that all of my projects have some cache assigned to that. And this 3 minutes, actually it's 5 minutes video, it is taking 25 gigabyte of cache data from my disk. But I have another one which is 300 gigabytes. So we can select all. Let's try, like let's focus only on the problematic ones at the moment and remove this one and remove this one. And if we check in parallel and hit clear cache, it is deleting a ton of files. And let me refresh. You see, like you are just winning space. So even though if it's a great thing to have your data in the cache for work, but just keep it for temporary and delete it and clear the cache always, because you could spare hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes of data. Thank you very much for your attention. If you believe this video will be helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like, to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Wish you a great day.